your Genesis offers many customizable features to make driving easier and safer. This customization ability extends to the audio system and allows you to truly personalize your listening and driving experience. To access these features, press Setup, then select Sound. First, you can turn the audible beep used to confirm selection in the touchscreen system on or off. Simply check or uncheck the box on the top right part of the screen. On vehicles equipped with premium sound, selecting this will allow you to choose settings of the Quantum Logic surround sound system. Depending on your preference, you can select Audience, On Stage, or Reference. Speed-dependent volume control will adjust the audio volume automatically according to vehicle speed. Selecting Strong, Normal, or Soft will let the audio system adjust accordingly as the vehicle's speed changes. Selecting Off will prevent the volume from changing automatically as the vehicle's speed changes. The startup volume limit lowers radio and media volumes when you start the vehicle if they are above factory-set maximum startup levels. Position allows you to select a specific position in the vehicle to make sound more audible. Select it and you'll see a diagram of the vehicle cabin. Touching a place on the diagram will allow you to focus the audio in that location. To return to a central audio focus, press the target symbol in the middle of the arrows. The Tone tab lets you customize the treble, mid-range, and bass settings of the audio system. Select it, and then you can slide the adjuster left or right to decrease or increase the setting. To move all settings to the center, press the Center button. Guidance has several settings you can adjust. Guidance Volumes lets you set volumes for multiple alerts and systems. Simply slide the adjuster left or right to decrease or increase the volume. Checking navigation guidance during calls will allow navigation prompts and guidance to be heard even while you are on a phone call using the vehicle's hands-free phone system. Checking navigation volume priority will lower all other audio volumes when navigation prompts are provided. And checking mute navigation guidance allows you to use the mute button on the steering wheel to mute guidance volume for 10 seconds. Active Sound Design allows you to enhance the interior ambiance with throatier engine sounds. You can select Strong, Normal, Soft, or Off, depending on your preference. Radio Noise allows you to customize sound quality when listening to FM radio by adjusting the background noise. In Driver Assistance Warning, selecting Driving Safety Priority lowers all other audio volumes, including navigation, when a driving safety system sounds a warning. Checking Parking Safety Priority will lower all other audio volumes if the vehicle is shifted out of park and the camera view is active. Connected Devices lets you set the playback volume for your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay device. For an Android device, select Android Auto. Then you can adjust volume of media playback and voice guidance. For an Apple device, select Apple CarPlay. There you can adjust the volume of media playback, phone volume, ringtone, navigation, and voice recognition. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.